Alright guys, it is day number 3, Sunday morning right now. It's like almost 9 o'clock, but they don't actually open the track till 11 today. So we got a couple hours to kill. Changing tires right now. Something that's pretty interesting so far this weekend is that the first, the entry is a big right-hand sweeper. So I'm burning out my driver's side tire a lot faster than my passenger side. So right now, if you look at these, this tire came off my passenger side, this tire came off my driver's side. So I've just been rotating them, and then I'm getting tons of laps out of them again because this outside passenger tire just does not wear as fast. So pretty cool though. I'm saving a lot of tires. How you doing on tires, Van?
Doing.
Van's got tires left. Spencer, I think, has maybe 1 or 2 pairs left. And I think Derek's got maybe 2 pairs left. So yeah, we'll do some more driving today. The cars are all doing pretty good. No major issues. Guys, this baling wire for the exhaust, it's putting in work, man. Holding up strong. All right, guys, we're out at the gas station. We just went and got some coffee, got some gas. You can't sneak out of the video. Lucas's car. This is who I was tandeming with last night. Left a nice little tire mark on his door. Pretty hyped on that. It's not too bad. I hit him a little harder than I thought because it does have a little dent. Are you upset about it?
It's perfect.
Yeah, that was my first ever door tap, so I was stoked. This guy can freaking run a lead line. He is so solid.
Can't chase, but I can run a lead.
We'll practice. You can chase me. Brian's been killing it. Our buddy Kyle's been killing it.
I killed Kyle.
Yep, they had a little fender bender, but they're doing good. Everyone's holding up. And we got a Civic back there that's hopefully going to be rear-wheel drive swapped soon. What's the status on that, bud?
Just gotta gather parts and do it.
Hell yeah.
Honestly.
All right, guys, we're going to head back to the track. It's going to go hot in a couple minutes here, so let's go freaking burn these tires. Guys, we just had the craziest first 3 runs of Sunday. Derek killing it, gave me the sickest little tire marks right here on the bumper on this side, and he got me on this side. It was perfect. And he gave Van a tire mark on his door. He gave him 2 actually, 1 yesterday, 1 today. Man, could not have asked for a better first few runs. This was sick. We're gonna change tires and get back out there. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end. This was an incredible weekend, but we're all done. Loaded up, ready to head out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Lots of drifting footage, lots of just non-stop action. It was amazing. Alright, got a lot to do on the cars afterwards. Got a lot of stuff to fix. So wait for the next video. Don't forget guys, like, comment, subscribe. We're out.